Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can delete your Instagram account permanently. So from the home screen here of the account you want to delete, you want to go to the profile section down here, and then you want to click on the three bars up here. Now from here, you want to click on account centers. On account centers, you want to click on personal details here. On personal details, you want to click on account ownership and control here. On here, you want to click on deactivation or deletion. Now pick the account you want to delete. So in my case, it's this one. And then you'll see this menu here. Right now it's selected on deactivating your account. So it's temporary, right? So it's not deleting. If you ever want to come back to this account, you can reactivate it. But of course, the thing we want is to delete our account. So it's permanent and you can never get it back, right? So make sure you're sure about this. But once you click on this, click on continue. Now you can pick any one of these. I'm just going to click on privacy concerns, click on continue again. And then you have to enter in your password to delete it. Click on continue again. Now this will begin the process of deletion. It'll lock us out. And then your account has been deleted. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.